So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we try to fix the issue that many Android users complain of. And the issue is that many users say that their SIM says that it's not registered on any network. Now there are some certain simple fixes and let's look at how this is done. So without wasting further time, let's begin. Now here I have a Samsung M51 with me. The first thing that you need to see is whether like your SIM is active. So we do that by going to connections and under SIM card manager, we check whether the SIM is on or not. Sometimes quite accidentally or maybe because of an Android update, the SIM may be turned off. So this is one thing that you need to do. The next very important thing that you need to also equally do is check whether the network has been configured correctly. What that means is, in case you have a SIM that runs on a 4G network, you need to configure the 4G network. Or maybe you have a SIM that runs dual on 4G, 3G and stuff like that. So you can select the correct network. Until unless you provide the correct network, it's quite obvious that the SIM won't be configured and therefore it won't be able to detect any network. One more common thing that people observe is that they may be in a roaming circle. That is that they may be in a different territory than this original one in which they procured the SIM. So you need to turn the data roaming on. Another thing that you can equally do is just go to access point names and just click on reset to default. This should help you just refresh the connections. This is basically the access point for your SIM to access the network. Well, anyways, if all of this fails, one very quick good method that I recommend is like going to your general management and then here going to reset and clicking on the reset network settings. Well, if you do this for both the SIMs in case you have a dual SIM. So I have selected this to my primary SIM. I click on reset settings, prompts me for my screen pattern. I click on reset and you will see that the network settings have been reset, but obviously for the primary SIM. I do this for the secondary SIM as well. I just repeat the steps and click on reset and there you go. This is now done. Hopefully at this point of time, your phone should be able to detect a network. If not, you can simply do a phone reboot. What the reboot does is basically it gets rid of all the annoying things that prevents it from running at its maximum efficiency. So a reboot can really help. So the phone is now rebooting. After resetting the network settings and restarting the phone, things should actually work and you need not do anything else. However, in case you are still facing issues, what I will request you to do is set up your networks manually. Now, the way you do that is by going to connections, clicking on mobile networks and clicking on network operators. Now you will see that there are two options. Select automatically, that is how your network gets detected normally. But in case it's not getting detected, just click on any of the SIM wherein you are not able to find the network and click on select manually. Now this may take some time. As in like it takes time to populate the networks that are available and maybe 30-40 seconds. But then from the available networks, please select the correct network. Since I am on a Jio SIM, I will select my Jio network and not the other ones. So this can really help, and once it shows that it's registered, you'll start getting the signals. Now, quite obviously, you need to do this for the affected SIM. In case your secondary SIM is the one which is affected, just tap on the secondary SIM and then click on select manually and then repeat the process. There you go, it's arrived. And like I said, you have to select the correct network. So for Idea SIM, it's my Idea network that I have to select, and there you go, it's registered on the network. Many people have also said that simply turning on the flight mode, which will stop all the cellular connections, and then like just wait on for 5-6 seconds and then just turn it off. Sometimes this may also help and it may get you back your network and every other thing. So, well, rebooting the phone, turning on the flight mode and then turning it off, and also like setting your networks manually, these are some of the most common methods. But please note one thing, if your SIM card is damaged, or in case your SIM has not been activated in the first place, none of this would work. Also ensure that the SIM is turned on like we initially showed you. Well, with all of this in place, I hope that you will register your network with the SIM. And if this works, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comment section which of the methods work. And in case none of them worked, were you able to finally solve this issue? In case yes, what helped you fix it? That would mean so much to us. It's me, Amlan, signing off.